Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create this Wizard Academy top hat and dress and press using new items from the World Culture Update. Okay, the outfit will look like this guys, and I'm going to show you how I created this outfit. Okay, the first one, of course, you need to go to the culture clothing area. Which is right here, and then we're going to wear this top. Okay, and then I'm going to color it white. Okay, this one I'm going to use this color, and I'm just going to color it with this color except the bow or the tie, and also for the fourth selection. Okay, for the bow, I'm just going to color it with this color, and then we're going to wear this dress, but just wear the sleeves only, and then I'm going to color it with this color. Okay, for the color guys, actually you can choose the color that you like, which is match your theme. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to wear this top. Okay, and I'm going to color it with the same color, like this. Okay, just color it. Just mix and match the color. Okay, for this one, I'm going to color it with this color. Alright, and then I'm going to move to the accessories area. Okay, I'm going to wear this tie. Okay, this one, and then do a little adjustment. You can adjust the Z position a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to color it with the same color with the bow. Okay, wait guys, I'm going to adjust it. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.